bird. Sure, he's gonna stop now.
Yeah.
He's been going crazy. Are you pretty bird? Pretty bird.
Well, do it just so I can get it.
No.
Hi.
He says no. I know something's up now. I'm not gonna do it.
Something changed. I don't like it.
His top knot is pushed over to one side. Why is that?
His hairdo?
His hairdo's messed up.
It looks like he was sleeping on it.
Needs more hair gel. Needs more gel.
Well, we're gonna have to start watching for Melissa pretty soon.
I thought you were talking to me. You're not talking to me? Pretty bird?
I'm done.
Maybe we should go get a couple more.
It was hard to keep him from coming in the living room. I have to put my gate back up. He kept trying and trying and trying. He wouldn't take no for an answer.
And now he's depressed about it.
That's right. So he's sleeping it off.
That's it. Did you see David Letterman last night? Dr. Phil was on.
Hey.
David Letterman?
Dr. Phil was on.
I record them all. Well, was it good? What they talk
It
about?
was all right. Dr. Phil has a new book out. And he was kind of psychoanalyzing.
Oh, good. Look at all that skin you have to grow into, Pluto. Look at all that. You're gonna be a big bubby.
That does look like a comfy couch up there. With the quilt on it.
Mm-hmm.
It's very comfy. Somebody ate the
old one?
stuffing out of the one arm there.
Oh,
That's so funny.
you girls. They were just auctioning off a sofa at work with recliners on both ends, but one recliner didn't work, and finally went for like $800.
Wow.
Well, it's brand new. It's just like got damaged in transit.
Oh.
So they sell it and try to recoup some of their losses.
And do they get a new one for the people? They
Yeah, a new one goes out then.
pay. One time when we moved, and I think it was from Detroit to Illinois, they lost my bow and arrow
Oh,
when I was 10 years old.
yeah.
And I really wish I had.
I don't blame you. Stuff like
And
that.
I didn't notice it was gone, you know, until
Yeah.
too late.
Mm-hmm. When you guys,
You gotta check everything
yes.
as it comes over.
Mm-hmm. Pretty much. Or things like that you have to take yourself if there's any way you can if you're driving.
Yeah.
I always tell people to do that. If you have something important, take it with you. If it can never be replaced, take it with you.
It's amazing that I've got as many things because we moved a lot.
Yeah, I was one of the gentlemen in my building. He's just adorable. I think he must maybe around 75, maybe. love him to pieces. He's just the sweetest man I've ever met. And he was out walking one day, and I let him come in and take a look at my place. He goes, "What do you have any nice older things here?" I said, "Well, the china cabinet was my great grandmother's. The dining room table was my great grandmother's. My end tables at the time had belonged to my great grandmother. I have a rocking chair from my great grandmother. I have a bookcase in my kitchen that my great grandfather made. I have other shelves that my dad made. I have a cedar chest that my dad made. I have a quilt that my grandma did. I have lots of fabulous things for my family. When my grandparents were moving on both sides, the big joke was, tell Crispy somebody made it. She'll take it. Chris will take it if somebody made it. Just give it to her."
Oh, I know what I wanted you to do. Did you change so that I can call you?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I just put you in my, so I know it's you when you're calling me.
Oh, and then it'll go through.
Then I can pick it up and go, "Oh, look, it's Ramsey," and I'll pick it up. So if I don't know it, typically I don't pick it up, and I just let it go to voicemail.
Yeah, but it wouldn't go to voicemail.
It's weird. I don't know why it does that. My phone's in the car though.
Oh, that's good, because you'll hear what it does.
Treasure puppy.
Is the sound still on?
You want me to shut it off?
No.
Whatever.